Hey guys, me Tessa Blaine, and I'm back again. Today, I have received a pretty cool item from my friends at Thinsgo. They have sent me a matte carbon fiber spoiler for my Tesla Model Y. So just take a look at this and just see what it looks like coming out of the box and what kind of packaging it's got. All right, so the first thing I want to point out is the spoiler came inside this box. So shipping is outstanding when it comes in a big box like that, and then it's packaged over here. Now, I started to open the sucker up already once. All right, let's get this guy open. Looks like I have it upside down. All right. I've already cut the tape. All right. Look at this guy. This thing is nice. As you can see, I got the matte black carbon fiber reel. It's got 2 rows of tape here for it, 3M tape. It's gonna be pretty simple to install. Now, the one thing that it did not come with at this time, they're not sending it, is the 3M adhesion promoter. I ordered this off of Amazon and I got it in. I'll have the link down below, obviously. But anyways, I'm gonna use this because it's really good idea to use that before you put the spoiler on. That way it helps the adhesion of the sticker and everything go on a little bit better. Hopefully they'll start adding these to their packages, but for now I went ahead and ordered it. I have sent them email and suggested it to them, so hopefully maybe they'll start sending them when you guys order them. Now, I would like to point out that the link for this will be down below in my description, so if you like this spoiler, you can click the link below. It'll take you straight to Amazon. You can order it. One thing that I can tell that I really like about this is that this is real carbon fiber. It's not the cheap plastic. It looks good and it feels good, and I bet you it's a little bit stronger than some of those plastic ones out there. So anyways, I'm gonna get outside and let's get this thing installed and see how easy it really is. Okay, so the first thing I wanna do, I wanna take some alcohol wipes and I wanna clean off this entire area right here, which will allow the promoter and the 3M tape to stick best. This will make sure to get off any of the stuff on here that we don't need. Make sure it's nice and clean. Right now I just want to see how it fits on here. And it fits nice. Now the next thing we need to do is try to figure out exactly where the center is. So I am going to measure from here to here. I'm going to do the same measurement over here and put some tape on it and see. So I'm going to get some blue tape here ready. Okay, right now, I'm just going to put a piece of tape right here. To hold that on a little bit better. I'm gonna take this tape right there. This tape right there. Now, I'll bring you over and we're gonna measure from this point right here, straight in line to that tip. And I want to find out what that is. I think it's right around 6 inches. Okay, straight to the line. That angle, right at 6 inches. And this one, also exactly 6 inches. So, what I'm going to do, I want to make sure that this tape, right on that edge, which it is. So when I go to put the sucker on, I make sure that tape is right there and right there, both points, and that should be good. Get a couple extra pieces of tape set up. Take this off. I'm gonna wipe it down one more time. Alcohol wipe. Make sure there's nothing on there. So, next thing I'm gonna do is the 3M adhesion promoter. This pack came with a pack of 3 of them, I believe. And we're just gonna use just one of them. That's all we need. All right, adhesive. Comes out, nice little sponge right there. All we gotta do, wipe it on. Just like that. All right, just to make sure, go like that, right there. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, I'm going to peel off just a little bit of the stickers. It does help to have a little bit of fingernails. Now I've seen people do different amounts. Some take a lot more off, some take less. Not sure, but I want to take that much off. Keep it right there. We'll go ahead and lay the right side on. Right there. Come over here, put a little bit of pressure on it right there. Get it to stick. Check this, right up to the blue tape. Right up to the blue tape. Now I'm just gonna start pulling both of these out. As I'm pulling them, I'm gonna press in. Keep it coming. Okay. I'm gonna put a lot of pressure on it. I'm pushing in from the bottom and the top. Look underneath. It's got a good, nice seal all the way around. Now, the instructions currently online do not say to do this. However, I'm going to put tape on this and we're going to let it sit for 3 days. We're going to let the tape stay on for 3 days before taking it off and letting it have airflow on it and stuff. I still have to drive it to work at least tomorrow, or maybe not. Maybe I'll take my wife's car to work tomorrow and leave this here. That'd probably be the best thing to do instead of driving down the road. But, so I'm going to put the tape on it to help hold it in on the ends, in the middle and everything. And I've seen where people use the blue tape. However, I'm going to use some Gorilla tape. And I want to make sure it holds it good. We got 20% chance of rain. We might get some rain that might come in. So let me put some of this tape on. And guys, it's not coming off. I just want to make sure I keep a lot of pressure on it. I don't want this coming off, but boy. Oh, I love it. It looks good. All right, let's get some tape on this. I'm gonna come up across the bottom, stop out right there, and pull in tight all the way up to the window. I want to keep that pressure, pulling that in. Let's do the other side. Up to the bottom, pull in. Make sure that's pulling that all the way in and in. Right there. Around the bottom, pull in. I don't want to give any reason for this to come back off. I'm going to reuse this tape and go ahead, reuse it. I don't see anything wrong with using a little bit of extra tape, because I definitely don't want this thing coming off. Boy, I tell you what, this thing fits this thing perfect. The spoiler, I don't see any gaps on it. Now, I will say one thing, that I'm not going to finish this video until 3 days. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days. They say to leave this tape on here for 3 days. So on Sunday, I will bring the camera back out here, and I will take this tape off and we'll see what the finished project looks like. But one thing is, I think anybody can do it. Take your time, use some tape, make sure you have a tape measure. For this one here, this model, Y and everything, 6 inches from here to here. Not everyone is going to be the same, but that's a good starting point. Is try when you first put it on, measure 6 inches to there, and then come over here and look and see if it's the same. If it's not, adjust accordingly. But for my car, 6 inches was perfect. And some people will say that this tape will leave some of the sticky stuff on there. Just use the tape and peel it back off and on and get that off. But I'm not too worried about it for about 3 days. If I have to, I got the alcohol wipes, and I can try to get that tape off, if it did leave any residue on paint. But if you have the opportunity not to drive the car for the next 3 days, I recommend not doing that, just so you don't have to take a chance of the tape getting blown off and all that. And in fact, I'm just going to back it up over there and put it on the charger and leave it alone. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it. All that stuff really helps out with the algorithm. I'd just like to do a shout out to the people that are helping sponsor me. I got Larry out there. I really appreciate it. All the people that are using me as a referral, all those referral miles, it's helping me out on all my trips I'm doing and everything. So I greatly appreciate that. And anyways, just come back to this here in a couple days. All right, so it's been 3 days now, so now I'm going to take the tape off and see how it does. I'm going to take the tape off slowly. I got a little bit of residue there I'm going to have to clean up. reason, it really gets sticky right there by the end. Oh, it's probably because that promoter was right there, I bet you. Take some alcohol wipes here. All right, finished look. I'm loving it. Look at that. Look at that. That is perfect. Well, guys, it's been a long 3 days since I've been able to see it without the tape on, but I say I like it. It looks really good. It's on there strong. It's not moving at all. It just looks clean. I mean, that's one thing I like about it. It's a very clean fit. Very easy to put on. Anybody can do it. So I recommend it. It's made by Thinsgo. The link's down below in my description. Help yourself to it if this is the one you want. This is real carbon fiber, and check them out. You might like it. Also, one more thing, if you haven't done so already, please hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Until next time, please be safe, keep driving, have fun. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.